In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private, how to hide your TikTok followers, how to hide your TikTok content. First thing you want to do, let's launch the TikTok app. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right corner and hit on the profile icon. When you're at your profile landing page, I want you to go ahead and click on the upper right corner at the three straight lines. Now click on settings and privacy. Pay very close attention, guys, this is where the magic happens. Now I want you to click on second option, which is privacy. Over here you have the option number 1, which is making your account private. You can turn this on and this will simply make your account private. This simply will hide your content, your followers, your following list, and everything that is related as shares, saves, and other important points of your information. This is how you can essentially keep all the information and future content inside your circle of friends. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.